Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato soup without chicken broth. First, begin by sautéing your aromatic vegetables. Heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat, then add 1 diced onion and 2 stalks of chopped celery. Cook these until they are soft and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, add 3 pounds of peeled and diced russet potatoes to the pot. Finally, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth or water, ensuring the potatoes are just covered. Bring this mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. This step is crucial for developing flavor and softening the potatoes. To create a creamy texture without a roux, use a potato masher to mash about 2/3 of the cooked potatoes directly in the pot. This releases their natural starches, thickening the soup. Then, stir in 2 cups of whole milk or half and half to add a rich, smooth consistency to your soup. Now it's time to season your soup to perfection. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, incorporate 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of smoked paprika, which offers a lovely depth without needing bacon. Stir everything well to combine. Let the soup simmer gently for another 5 to 10 minutes on low heat, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. To finish your delicious potato soup, stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and incorporated, adding a delightful cheesiness. For a fresh touch, garnish each serving with finely chopped fresh chives or green onions. A dollop of sour cream on top adds a tangy creaminess that complements the rich soup perfectly. Serve your hot, comforting potato soup with some crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade, chicken broth-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.